Hello friends, welcome back to School Management System in Laravel. In this video I will continue phase collection because last video I will show you about the how to search the student. Suppose I can choose the class and after I click on the search button, so you can see it like a students list, and after we need to click on the collect fees. This is the program, means this is the part we have not done, and also you can see it like a total amount. Okay, what we need to pay, after we can show you like paid amount, but this is the part not done, and after we can make it like here another like a remaining amount. Suppose he can pay like 2 times, so you can do it easily this reason. Okay, and we have added like class wise payments. Also, do you want to search as a like a student id wise, so also you can search as a student id wise. Suppose I can add id here, and here you can search, so also work, and first name and last name wise works. I show you everything in last video. So in this video we can continue like a fees module inside a collect fees. Once I will click on the collect fees, so we need to open the new page, and new page inside means new page inside he can add like a type. We can add like a cash and check. After whatever do you want to add a type, you can add it in your side, but I just add a like two type. One is a cash and one is a check. So it's like check wise what he paid and like a cash wise what he paid. So what is the before amount there, now what is the amount there, we can show everything one by one. So let's show you one by one, and we can sort out this module collect fees, and here you can see it like a total amounts, means a total paid amount after. So let's open the code now. Resources, views, inside need to go admins, inside you need to go to like fees collection, inside collect fees. Okay, so just we need to create a new menu, means new button inside a url, because menu we have already done. So url admin collect fees, admin fees collection collect fees inside a add fees, because okay, this is the menu we have, means this is the url we have created. Just go to urls, inside need to go web.php, just find this url, and here you can create a new url like add fees. Just you can copy and paste, and just you can add like new here url collect fees add. Okay, now everything is good. Just save these files and just go back again and refresh the page. So here we need to go to like a page collection controller. Inside we need to create a new routes, means a new function. And here we can copy and paste like all things. We don't need here filtering, just copy and paste, and you can put here, and just remove the other part. We don't want to need any other part. Just here is like add collect fees, and here we can make like a add collect fees. Okay, and just go to resources, inside views, inside collect fees, inside you need to create a new file. And just copy like collect fees blade.php files, and you can put inside here. Okay, so let's remove the pagination. We don't want to need here pagination. Also you can remove the like this like t body, because we don't need now t body here, and also we don't want to need any filtering, so just remove the filtering. So just minimize and remove filter. Okay, and here we need to add a new menu like a, let's first show you, after I can show you how to do. Okay, so just open, refresh the page, and click on the collect fees button. I open in new tabs. Okay, so here you can see like collect fees, here showing the like collect student name, means here we need to change all thing. So first we need to create like a form like add collect fee, and we need to open here like a pop-up. We don't want to do like other thing, just open the pop-ups. Okay, so just we can create a new menu here 6, and just copy and paste here. After we can do button type is equal to button, and here I can make add collect, sorry spelling mistake, add fees, otherwise add payment, whatever do you want to like, you can do it your end. And class btn primary, and also I can make a style text align right, so it look like better is going to right side. Okay, So let's save these files and just go back again. So you can see it here, you can see it like collect fees means add fees. Okay, so everything is good. So let's remove some comment because I don't want to like comment, you know, I already explained some video. Here's their comment. So look like better these reasons, because now I need to add a like model here, because I will not show you in this project anytime model. So how to use model I can show you. So first of all we need to add a like scripting code. So just you can use a new section script, and just you can add end section here script, and you can type here like a script. Okay, and here you need to provide like one id add phase, and just remove this space. So everything is good now. And just we can remove the here also. So everything is good. Okay, let's remove some parts. So look like better this region, and here I can make like a payment details. Okay, so it's good now. Okay, I think it's clear now. So let's start now add fees. So we need to find like a pop-up. So just go to Google model in Bootstrap. Just you can search like this and go to first link, and here is a lots of model there. So you can see it here, lunch model like this. It looks like better vertical like this. Whatever do you want to like, you can use it. I just using like a form model, so look like better. Okay, we can using this model. So just copy this model like form model. Here you can see it, and you can paste here last one, and just you can change like example model to add phase model. Otherwise you can leave it any other things, and we can write here like scripting. What I did, I just go to bootstrap inside I have copy, and I paste here. I can show you using the like a scripting wise, otherwise I will open directly model, but I like to show using the scripting wise model how to open. So just write a script inside. Once I will click on the add fish button, so we need to open this model. So we need to write here scripting dot click, and here I can make like a add fish model. So just you can do it like a dollar hash dot model show. Okay, so let's go back again and open the spec element, and we can check model work not work. So I just press F12 and I refresh the page again. Let me try first. Work not work. Okay, working. So no issue, like scripting wise working very well. So you can see it. Okay, here we can change like payments, make payment, add payment. What do you want to like add fees? Let's go to here is add fees, because always I am using like a fees words. This reason I like to fees. Here we can do like amount. Okay, so here we can change like id, we don't want to need, just name is equal to amount, and here we can get like a student data, because we have already passed here, not pass any id. So just we need to pass like here student id. So just we can pass like student id dollar value dot id. Just go to web, and here we can pass like a student id. Sorry, student id. Okay, and this student id we need to pass inside a fees collection. So just you can pass here like also a student id. So do you want to, we don't want to use here request, so just remove the request. Okay, so everything is clear. Just go to like collect fees again, and click on the search the student like ss1, and search, click on the collect fees. So we can get like 10 number is a user, means student id. So this student against what is the payment before is the paid. So we need to show here inside a listing like payment details inside. But first of all, we need to do like a add fees. So amount, message and type. We can add also type like a cash, check. Okay, so whatever do you want to, like you can add a more. Here's a lots of thing you can do it, but I can show you simple way, so you can easily understand and easily you can do it. Here I can change like a payment type. Just we can do it like payment type, and here I can use the select box, select class from control. Here I can make it like option, value is equal to select, and here I can make like a cash, and another part you can do it like a check. After you can make like card, credit card, Google Pay, whatever do you want to use type, you can type it here. Okay, I think check spelling is good. Let me check inside Google because I don't want to write like a spelling mistake. So it's good now, check spelling. Just you can change it like check, and also is the name is equal to payment type and requires, and here we can make like a remark. So we know, okay, remark, what is the remark for this one? So it is not required, so just we can make a remark, and we don't want to need this is like id, so just removing. Also we don't want to need like year 4, so just remove. And here like this works, also remove. Okay, so and here we can make like a submit button name, and this is the type is equal to submit. And also I can change here like amount means number, and here we can make like a total amount, so we can know. Just I am making design now, after I make it dynamic. Okay, total amount, so you can see it like total amount. What is the total amount, like whatever there I can show you. Just remove this line, we don't want to need. So let's, and we can make it like another like a paid amount, and here also we can make it like a remaining amount. Remaining amounts. Let's go back again, refresh the page so we can check. So add fees, so we can show like total amounts, paid amount, remaining amount. After whatever you can add, like here is a $200, 150 is the remaining, so you can add a 150. After remaining amount is going to 0, after he can't submit anything, I can show you all the validation, but first I can make it like this, look much better. Okay, so let's remove the remark inside. We did like 2 dots, we don't want to need. And also we can make here star, span, star, style, color is equal to red, because it look like better, so we know, okay, this is the required fields. And also we can do it inside a amount. Okay, now I think everything is clear. Let's make it here form proper way. This form we can cut and paste outside, and you can put like action method is equal to post, and whatever place form submit, just cut and paste, and you can put inside outside, because we need to cover the button for the submit. And here we can make it like a crf token, so you can go any place, just go to add class and just copy this line and put here. Okay, and here we need to provide a url, because same url we can submit also is possible. Let's make it submit also same url, because whatever url he is opening, but I can show you like a different url, it look like better. Let's go to same url, so it's good for him, good for me. Okay, just copy, and we can make it here post method. Just we can like collect fees, insert. So we need to create a new function, because of why I make like same url, because here we did like blank, so it's going to for this same url. Okay, so just copy this name and go to like class controller, means a fees collection controller function. Here is a student id. Also we can get a form data, so dollar request, and I can make here like a dd all. Okay, so let's go back and we can refresh the page, and we click on the add 200 because I don't know what is the first amount, so 20 I can pay cash, and here I can make 20 USD. Click on the submit, so you can see it like amount, payment type, and remark. So this is the information we need to store inside our database. So before we need to go database, let's make it here like add payment, means total amount we need to show here, paid amount after we can show, because once we can add inside database, the remaining amount after we can show, once we can like total amounts minus paid amount, so we can get a remaining amounts. And here you can see it like all the amounts how you paid. So let's make it proper way. So we can get a student data, so just we can make like a get data, get student. Here you can make like a student, sorry, users, get single, because is a single means users means this is the student. Okay, so let's open the user controller, we can confirm this is the function there, cannot there. So I just check is that there, but we need also our class amount. So here we can go down any place I have did like belongs to, so I can show you. Suppose any place there, so let's make another function here, so we can get also our amount. So just we can make like a static, and we can use like a get single with class. Okay, and here I can make like this, select users dot star, and also I make here like join query, join like a class again. So just you can make it like class dot id users dot class id, and here I can make where users dot id is equal to dollar id, means above id is a, and after I can make here first. Okay, so here we can get the amount of the total amount, class dot amount. So here we are getting the amount for this student class. So just save these files and just go back again, and here we can change the function. So just go to collect fees, and we can put like a dollar, and here I can make like number format, amount, and 2. So it look like better these reasons. So let's go back again, refresh the page, and we can check working, not working. So everything is good, and here you can see it like 500 for this class payments. Okay, for the student need to pay, and here we also need to show is like class name. So just you can put like a like this 1 minute, like a class dot name has a class name, and also we can show here like inside age add fees, and we can do it like new, same thing like class name. So we know okay what is the class, and just you can make it like a class name. And also you need to remove the number format and dollar sign, we don't want to need now anymore. Okay, so everything is clear now. Okay, I save these files, and I just go back again, refresh the page. So you can see it here like a class name ss1, after you can see it amount, after paid amount, remaining amount we have not did, because we can add here after we can show like a paid amount what is the remaining amount for this class against. Okay, because here is like multiple class work, this reason you know me know. So let's go to back localhost phpMyAdmin, and we can create a new menu like students add fees, not menu, tables. So just go to schools.com database, and we can create a first. Okay, database opens, just go to schools.com, and we can add a new tables, student add fees. So look like we can understand easily, students add fees. Okay, here is the id, student id, also class id, because next year he can change his class, so he's going to, suppose he can pass, so he's going to next year, so we need to know, okay, he's a class id. And after we need to do like amount. First we can make like total amount, paid amount, and remaining amount. So we can understand, okay, total amount like this there, after paid amount like this there, and remaining amount, so we can minus, so we can know. And after we can like a student id, and also we there like a payment type. We can add like a remark, and also we can provide a like created by, and created at, and updated at, so we know. Okay, so everything is good now. Just we can make it null here. Also we need to make here null. This is the amount also null, because we need to go to like integer value. Remaining amount also, payment type we can go to like varchar 255 nulls. Remark also going to text, and also going to nulls. Created by is same thing, null, because is the like integer value. Also here is the integer value. Here we can change like a date and time. Okay, so table successfully created. Just click on the save now. So you can see it here like a table student id, class id, total amount, paid amount. Paid amount means you can add here whatever amount, like here, so is a paid amount. And after total amount means 500 is the total amounts, and after is a remaining amount. So what is the remaining amount there? So once is a paid, once first time is a like what is the amount, after what is, I can show you step by step, so you can easily clearly understand, so don't worry about that. Okay, so it's like payment types, remarks, created by, created at, and updated at. Okay, so let's open the code again, and we need to create a new model, student fees model, student add fees model. So let's open our terminal. So I already opened my code, means code folders, and I can open my terminal. Let's make some zoom so you can understand easily. PSP artisan make model, and this is the model name I already write, so I just paste here, students add fees models. Okay, taking few seconds because the first time open this region. So the model successfully created. Just copy this name. I have closed this one because I don't want to need anymore, and I just need to go to definition. This is I'm going to direct for this file, otherwise you need to go like here inside app, inside model, inside you can see it. Open any model and just copy the name. Also you can copy the get single file function, so it look like better, and just you can paste here notice board. So student add fees, you can copy this table name and put here. Just remove this space, suppose any side is a space there, so you can remove it. Just copy this name again, and also we don't want to need this name, now remove, and just go to controller again, and notice board control you can close, user control you can close, web.php file also you can close, because we have done here work. Just go up and just you can declare here, and also I use auth, so let's make it down, it look like better. Okay, so now everything is clear. Just go down, and here I can make like payment is equal to new, and we can add all the data inside a database. So let's make it first like dd, and I can refresh the page, and I click on the add fees. I just add like a 200 cash, and remark like a 200 USD dollars. Okay, submit. So I get amount, payment types, and remark. So let's add all the information inside database. Also we need to add a class id, so just you can copy this line and paste here, so we can get a student all the data. Okay, so we can make another condition like if, not made a if condition right now, after I show you how to make a conditions. Okay, so first we can make it save inside database. So new amount means the paid amount, is dollar amounts. Okay, so is the amount, sorry, dollar request amount. Second one, we can do it like a payment type. So payment times, payment type, here is a payment types. Also we can do it here like a remarks. So also you can do it here remark, and we can do it like a student id and class id. Let's make a copy paste quickly so I can do it quickly. Here I can change student id. So here we can get the student id above, and here we need a class id. So just you can make it like get class, and here you can change like a class id, and also you can change here like a class id. Okay, last one remaining about created by. So whatever user creating, so we know okay this guy is a creator record. So created by, and here we can make like a auth users id, and here I can make like a save. I know is a two amount, we are not add like paid amount, sorry, like total amount and paid amount, because this is the logic we need to do. So I can show you step by step these reasons. Okay, return redirect back with success, fee successfully added, fee successfully add. Okay, let's make a capital so look like better. So I think everything is clear now. So let's show you. Just save these files, and also we need to change here like a total. By default we need to show 0 because I have made a mistake here, as defined null means 0. We don't want to make a null for this amount. Okay, because I need to make a sum, so sum wise generate the issue, these reasons. So let's make it, it's not taking time, just taking few seconds. Oh, because I have 2 0, don't worry, is automatic connect 1 0. Okay, so look like better. Let's check again because I don't want to make a risk. Okay, perfect. So everything is clear now. So everything here is a 0 0, so we need to know. Okay, so let's go to add fees again, click on the add fees, and I can add like 200. Okay, and I just select the cash and I can add hello, and I submit. So fee successfully add, and here you can go and you can check it, so you can see it like okay, because I have not made a auto increment. Okay, so just make it auto increment and I save. So also our primary key, and is going to 1. Okay, so you can see like paid amount 200, also class id there and student id there. Total amount is not showing, remaining amount also not showing. Also showing the remark whatever you are, and payment type you can see it. So we can show here inside a bottom. Okay, so let's make a first listing. So I can show you, because this is the validation I know is remaining, but let's make a first listing so I can show you properly. Okay, so like we can make a get, here I can make dollar data get fees. Just copy these words get fees, and you can put here student id. So this student id again, what is the fees there, so we can get it. Just go to this controller and we can write here like a new function, static function. Here I can make like a student id, and here I can make like student self means above class name. I already explained lots of time. Otherwise you can use directly like this, so also work. Otherwise you can use the self, so also work. Select student add fees dot star, and we can make here join query, so we know for the class name. So class, because here is there is a class id, so id is equal to student add fees dot class id. Here I can make like a where query, student add fees dot student id is equal to dollar student id. Here I can make like a get. Okay, so this query is correct now. Let's refresh the page and we can check error there or not there. So just go back again, refresh the page, so no any errors. so look like better. And here we can show like collect fees here showing the student name, so we can understand what's the student name. Okay, so let's go to back again, collect fees. Let's close this file also, we don't want to need these files also, so just remove. Just go here, and here we can make like a span style color is equal to blue, same like we are doing inside a parent side. And here we can show like a get student is equal to name, and we can show like last name. Okay, so everything is good now. Just go back again, refresh the page, so we know okay here is like a student name. I don't know why the color is not working. I already blue, okay, blur, I write blue because I am spelling mistake blue. Just go back again, refresh the page, so it look like better. We know okay this the student is a collect fees, and here we can make like a step by step, like a student ID, no need, class name, total amount, paid amount, and remaining amount, no payment type, no remark. So you can do it like here class name is already there, so just remove two line, total amount, paid amount, and here we can make like a remaining amounts. Okay, created dates also need, created by we can add also here, created by, and also we need to do like a payment type and a remark, so we know okay proper way these reasons. Okay, so is a payment type, and here we can do it like a remark. So everything is good now. Just go back again and just copy this get fees because we have already done here our query. You can see it here, and also we have passed like one parameter like student ID, and also we have passed here. So just go to here, and we can use here for else get fees as a dollar value, dollar empty. Inside we can do like and for else. Here we can make like tier td equals 100%, and here we can make like a payment record not found. Here I can make like tr inside td, and just we can use it like class name. Let's save and just go back again, and we can check work not work. Okay, so just go to back here, and I refresh the page, so you can see it like class name, but I don't know why it is not received. Just go to again back, and okay, because I will not add here like a name, like we can add like class dot name as a class name. Also we need to make another join query, so we can get a created by, who is a created by. So let's check is a database created by like this I have had. So just you can change like created by, and here we can make it like users, and here we can do it like users dot id. Okay, and here we get created by, so just we can use like here like users dot name has a created by name, created name, whatever do you want to like you can use it here. Okay, just go to list again, and here we can change after, I think here there, so I can add here action we don't want to need, so just remove the action. So after is like a total amounts, so just go inside and just copy this name total amount, so you can put here total amounts. After we can do like a paid amount, last one there is a remaining amount, so just you can do it remaining amount. Payment types, so you can put here payment types, and last one we can do it like a remark, and also last one there also there like created at, so we can no created at, so we can do it like date means date, month, and why, whatever do you want to like you can do it your end. I just like it like simple way, this reason I am doing date, month, why. Okay, so everything is good now. So save these files and just go back again, refresh the page. So you can see it like one record found, like class ss1, total amount what is there, paid amount what is there, remaining payment tag, remark, created by, and created dates. But let's make it here like a number format, so look like better. Also we need to add a dollar sign because I am using dollar, these reasons. Number format. Also we can do it inside a paid amount. And same thing you can do it here. And also you can do it like a dollar sign here. Okay, so let's go back again, refresh the page, so look like better, you can see it now. So here is not showing the total amount and remaining amount, other thing we ever done. So we can do now add fees inside, we can show like a total paid amount. I think this video is going to big, so next video I can continue about the validation and we can show like total amount and remaining amount. So everything is clear about next video, and next video I think this is the fees module also done, and after we can create another video for the collect fees reports. So here you can see it like all the students. After student side we can show same thing and just showing the reports. Here we can do it like a online payment gateway, so student can pay online payment gateway wise. We can try to make it also this ones, and also parents can pay online, so we can do it like this. So in this video I will show you collect fees inside, how to add a fees. Also we did like total amounts, dynamic, paid, and remaining amounts remaining, and also this is all the data we have stored inside a database. So is a part 3 inside, we can make it all the validation same like your bank statement work like this. You can find out like here is a 200, so here is a, suppose here is a 500 total amounts, but you are paid like 200, so remaining is equal to 300. After total amount like a 300 here, after you pay like $100, so after what is the remaining amount, like $100, like this you can find out step by step. After going to remaining amount is equal to 0, because this video I will continue, is going to 1 hour plus, because all the logic I need to explain very well, this reason. Otherwise you can think okay 1 hour, so people don't like why I watch 1 hour, is like a very tough work. So let's make it divide and you can understand easily. I hope do you want to understand everything what I explained, and do you have any questions, so please comment out. And do you want to like this video, so please like. Do you want to see like this video more, so please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.